Hello friends, today I am discussing about sense relations. So sense relations that works on similarity are the followings. So there are two types of sense relations are there. First is based on similarity and second one is based on dissimilarity. So if I talk about this based on similarity, so first point is synonymy. Synonymy is the relationship between two predicates that have the same sense. So you can see the examples: deep and profound, and conceal and hide, and purchase and buy. We can use both the words in same sense. Second one is paraphrase, a sentence which expresses the same proposition as another sentence is a paraphrase of that sentence. So paraphrase is the sentence as synonymy is two predicates. So you can see the examples like Anu sold the chain to Neha, and second one is Neha purchased the chain from Anu. So here we can say that both have same sense relation. Like Anu can sold the chain to Neha, and same thing we can say that Neha purchased the chain from Anu. And okay, so third point is hyponymy. Hyponymy is the relation such that the meaning of one predicate is included in the meaning of the other. So here you can see that the examples of flower and jasmine. So the sense of flower is included in the sense of jasmine. When you talk about the jasmine, you can in jasmine flower is also included. So jasmine is a hyponym of flower. And next one is entailment. So entailment is the sense relation between sentence such that the meaning of a sentence is included in the meaning of another sentence. So here two sentences are there where one sentence predicates to another one. So you can see the examples like Peter eats mangoes entails Peter eats fruits. When we say the word mangoes, it should be included in the fruits. So second examples is there. I saw a cow entails I saw an animal. So here we can understand the sense cow means it's included in the animal. So entailment is there. And next one is homonymy. Homonymy is the case of an ambiguous word whose different senses are far apart from each other and not obviously related to each other, and not okay. So here you can see the examples like bank. So here bank has two meanings: river bank and financial banks. So homonymy is one word has two meanings, but that meanings is not related to each other. Like river bank is not related to financial bank. And next one is polysemy. Polysemy also is the case of an ambiguous word where a word has several very closely related senses. So here also one word is there which has two meaning, but the meanings the senses are closely related. Like if we talk about the earth, so earth means a planet and a soil. So both words has closely related meaning. So here today I discussed about the sense relation that works on similarity. Next in next videos I will talk about the sense relation that works on dissimilarity. So thank you.